2019 Ford Escape transmission oil change. Okay, usual routine. So here is the drain plug. Well, a lot of people don't know how to put the transmission oil back in. So and they're looking for where is the hole to put it back in. So you have to bring it down as I'm doing. When the car come down, I will see. So you have to remove this air filter, the hose filter, and this throttle body cover, the hose, everything. Bring down a little bit, down, and when you bring it down, you will see this kind of thing is a clamp on it. So when you remove this, is a big hole down here. As you see, it's a big hole. You can put the transmission oil in. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope it helped.